With the festive season finally here, temples in the city are gearing up to offer special pujas for the goddess. But the temple we are going to show you now is unique, hundreds of years old, and a special puja was conducted here recently for goddess Durga on the occasion of Dasara. The idols you see here belong to a temple that is over 300 years old. Situated in Andrahalli in Peenya, the Jodi Sri Munishwara temple has seen many generations of people offering prayers. What's so special about this temple? The temple stands on a place which hundreds of years ago used to be a farmland. While farming on his field, a farmer came across two Shivalingas, and it was then that he decided to abandon farming and instead build a temple. The Shivalingas still stand tall at this temple, and hundreds of devotees visit every week to offer their prayers. Apart from the Shivalingas, the temple also houses idols of goddess Durga and Nagdevta. Even though pujas are held every day, on the occasion of Dasara, a special puja was held. The temple was decorated beautifully with flowers, rangolis and diyas. Aarti was conducted by the priest, and devotees were seen lighting diyas and praying to the goddess for their well-being.
ನಾಗದುರ್ಗೆ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಬರೋದು. ಈ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಗನಿಗೆ ನಾಗದುರ್ಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ನಾಗದುರ್ಗಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ನವರಾತ್ರಿಲಿ ಬರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ನಾಗಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ದುರ್ಗಿನ ಎರಡೂ ಸೇರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂದರೆ ಆ ದುರ್ಗಿಗೆ ಶತ್ರುಗಳನ್ನ ನಾಶನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ದುರ್ಗಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪೂಜೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಬಂದವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Apart from the pujas, the devotees were here for something else as well. What was it? Well, the devotees don't just visit the temple to pray but also to seek advice from the priest Sri Sri Shivashankara Guruji. He performs Ashtamangala and provides remedies to devotees who are suffering from an illness or are facing some hurdles in their life.
For the past 3 to 4 years I am observing this temple. Even though this temple is very old, older than 300 years, people are getting benefits. After getting the benefits only, through their donations, this temple has improved so much.
The devotees had only good things to say about the temple, and also how the positivity of their Guruji and the remedies given by him has helped them in a great way.
I am really happy and do some pujas and homa. I got some remedies and my headache is okay.
It is an old Asian temple, 300 old historical Asian temple. There is some positive energy which is flowing here, which I have experienced.
The day was indeed an auspicious one for the devotees. After all, festivals are a celebration of everything positive. Nandini Ganguly for News 9, Bengaluru.